Hey friends, if you encounter the error some system components cannot be hooked right now, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, if it is related to an application, then simply search for Task Manager and open it. Find that application on the Task Manager if it is open, and simply right click on it and select Restart if you have that option, or you can end the task and then reopen it. For example, in this one, I might find an option to end the task, so I can end the task and then restart it. The next one is to update Windows. Why? Because a lot of applications can be updated directly if you update Windows. So here's what we have to do. Okay. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is to update the app. So search for Store, Microsoft Store to be precise, and then go to Microsoft Store. Okay. And then you can go to the library section on the list on the left hand side. Okay. And then you'll have this option to update the apps accordingly by clicking on the apps, and then you can update them. Okay. So this is what can be done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.